Hey, Soil King with a really quick snip to tell you the difference between Mycorrhizal and Azospirillum. Azospirillum is a bacteria you can water in. Mycorrhizal is a fungi. So those are the two different. So when you look them up, you'll know the difference. Mycorrhizal is a fungi. Azospirillum is a bacteria. Most people will call this azos, and most people will call mycorrhizal myco. And there you have it for another quick snip with the Soil King in a victory garden. Please hit the subscribe button. We can only share what is freely shared with us, and we're here to help each other. Because why? We're better together, no doubt about it.